So here's Logan. We're looking for his surprise. It's Easter morning. Logan, look around. Do you see a surprise?
Yes.
Where? Look around. Look around for your surprise. Keep looking. Turn that light on.
Do you see something new?
Look around, Logan. Keep looking. That's your surprise. It's your Easter basket.
Open.
You like it?
Open. Open.
Yeah.
Open.
What's in there? What's in that basket? Race cars and a racetrack?
Please. Open, please. Open, please.
Thank you for using your manners, Logan.
Car. Car. Whoa! Whoa! What's in there?
I don't know.
What is it, Logan?
Car.
Yeah.
Open, please. Can I open, please? Open, please. Open, please.